Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to add a video to a PowerPoint presentation. First thing first, launch PowerPoint and open the file where you want to add your video, or you can just do it on a blank presentation. Select the slide where you'd like the video to appear. Now, click the Insert tab in the top ribbon and tap the arrow below Video. From the drop-down, select this device or video on my PC, depending on your version. A File Explorer window will open. Just browse your computer, select the video file, then click Insert. The video thumbnail will appear on your slide. You can drag and resize it as needed. When the video is selected, a video format or playback tab will appear. From here, you can trim the video, add captions, or set playback options like play automatically, on-click, or loop. A pro tip: for smoother presentations, keep the video file in the same folder as your PowerPoint presentation to avoid broken links if you move the file later. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more if this video helped you.